Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Sindhi recipe. I'm making Tairi. Tairi is sweet rice flavored with saffron and cardamoms. It is made in all the Sindhi homes on festive days. Cheti is coming up soon and we are going to make and enjoy Tairi with Sai Bhaji. It pairs well with Sai Bhaji. Sai Bhaji is a Sindhi style spinach which I have already made and posted. I'll be sharing the link with you all in the description box. So give it a try. This combination is really amazing. It goes very well together. Let's proceed to make it. I have soaked 1 cup of rice. Wash and soak it well, at least for 1 hour. 3/4 cup of sugar. Little oil as needed. Desi ghee 1 tablespoon. Some raisins. 1 tablespoon of pistachio slices. 1 tablespoon of almond slices. 2-3 pinches of saffron. 5 to 6 green cardamoms crushed. 2 pinches of salt. Salt really enhances the taste in the sweets and desserts, especially the desi desserts. Now we'll proceed to make the tairi. Place the pan on the gas. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. I like mixing both half oil and half ghee because when you use only ghee it becomes very heavy. When the ghee melts, add the lightly crushed green cardamoms. Stir fry a bit until they give out a nice aroma. Now dip in the washed rice that we have soaked for 1 hour. When you soak it, it really cooks well and faster. You can cook it immediately also after without soaking, but I think when you soak it gives a better result. Stir fry a little. Half a minute or so. Now, for 1 cup of rice, add 1.5 cups of water. We normally add 2 cups, but here we are going to add only 1.5 cups because this is sweet rice, and when we add sugar, that also leaves out water. So 1.5 cups is sufficient. Now add 2 pinches of saffron first. We'll see how the color, sometimes the saffron is very strong. If needed, we will add little later. So I have added 2 pinches of saffron. 2 pinches of salt. As I told you, salt enhances the flavor in the sweets. Now cover with the lid and allow it to cook on medium flame. After a minute or so, open the lid and stir it. Now dip in the raisins so that when they get cooked, they will become nice and fluffy. Place the lid back and allow it to cook again. After simmering for 4 to 5 minutes, open the lid. The rice is 3/4 done now. At this stage, we are going to add the sugar. Add 3/4 cup sugar, which is quite sufficient. If you like it very sweet, you may add a spoonful more, but this is the perfect measurement. Stir the sugar As the color has not come out well, I am adding the remaining 1 pinch of saffron again. Place the lid back and simmer it to cook. In between, keep checking. The sugar has started leaving the water. It's melting and the rice will get cooked slowly in this water. You have to do this on a low flame. Now half of the almonds and pistachios I'm adding now while cooking. Remaining we'll save for garnishing. Give it a nice stir. Cover it again and let it cook on low flame. After a few minutes, you place a tawa or a griddle on the gas and place the pan over it. This is keeping for dum. After 5 to 6 minutes, you open and check again. Little more dum is required. 1 more minute I am placing it. Now you can see the bottom rice is getting stuck, which means it is done. All the water, the liquid from the sugar has been soaked up well by the rice and it is done, cooked to perfection. Now we'll switch off the gas. Let the pan remain on the tawa, hot tawa. The heat will give the tairi a better texture. After a few minutes you can serve it. Take a nice platter and dish it out. Tairi is made in Sindhi homes on all the happy occasions and festive days like Cheti. It pairs well with Sai Bhaji. So this combination is served in most of the Sindhi homes. Tairi and Sai Bhaji. Garnish with few more pistachios and almonds on top. We also make the tairi with jaggery that has a couple of different ingredients. I'll be posting the recipe soon. Now the dish is garnished. Delicious tairi is ready. Flavorful with the flavors of saffron and cardamoms. Serve it with Sai Bhaji. You will find the link of the Sai Bhaji in the description box below. The combination is really amazing. You must try it out. Friends, you may like to watch these videos also. Check them out.